Hi everyone, welcome to Droid channel. Today's video will teach you how to fix Samsung phone stuck in safe mode. Samsung phone stuck in safe mode is annoying to users. That's because installed apps are disabled and you can only use their original apps in safe mode. Many functions of the phone are unavailable. Your Samsung phone may be stuck in safe mode in the following situations. Stuck in safe mode after factory reset. Stuck in safe mode reboot. Stuck in safe mode after system update. Misuse of some operations cause the Samsung mobile phone to be stuck in safe mode. Why is your Samsung phone stuck on safe mode? The button is stuck. Recently updated or installed apps. Hardware problem. You can roughly determine why your Samsung phone is stuck in safe mode first. Please try the following methods one by one, hope it can help you solve the problem. If the following methods are helpful to you, you can click subscribe to get the latest news. Method 1 is to force restart your Samsung phone. After discovering that there is a problem with the phone and it is stuck in safe mode, you should first think of force restarting the phone, which will help you close the work in progress and restart the phone. You need to press the power button and the volume down button at the same time for 10 to 15 seconds, until you feel the vibration or the Samsung logo. You can let go. Please wait patiently for the phone to restart. After the restart is complete, please check whether there is a safe mode prompt in the lower left corner of the Samsung phone. Method 2 is to check the Samsung phone button. A stuck Samsung phone button is a common reason for being stuck in safe mode. Safe mode is usually enabled by holding down the button while the device starts up. Please take off the phone case and check the buttons of your phone one by one. Press and release them several times to check whether there is any foreign object in the button. If there is any foreign object, please remove it. After removing the foreign object, please restart the phone to check whether it exits safe mode. Method 3 is to look at the notification panel. Samsung phones offer a safe mode option in the notification panel. You need to pull down the notification panel and tap the safety mode is on setting. A pop-up will be displayed. Just select the close option. After clicking on the shutdown option, now your phone will automatically restart and return to normal mode. Method 4 is to drain the battery or remove the battery. If the force restart doesn't work, the button also works fine. Then please use up the battery of the phone. You can put the phone in a dry place for a day or even longer. After confirming that the battery is exhausted, charge the Samsung phone for at least 60 minutes, and try to turn on the Samsung phone again. See if it returns to normal. If the battery is removable, remove the battery. After leaving it for at least 3 to 5 minutes, reinstall the battery and turn on the Samsung phone again. After turning it on, please check whether the Samsung phone is in safe mode. Method 5 is to uninstall recently updated or installed apps. This way requires you to recall whether you have downloaded or updated some apps recently. If so, the more troublesome operation is to try to uninstall an app, then restart the phone to see if the phone has exited safe mode. You may need to repeat this several times. Of course, you can also just delete all recently used apps and restart your phone. Check to see if you return to the main screen, and the phone functions can be used normally. Method 6 is to restart the phone in recovery mode. You can turn off safe mode by putting your phone into recovery mode. Please follow the steps below. Please turn off your Samsung mobile phone, and then use a USB cable to connect the mobile phone to the computer. After connecting, press and hold the volume up button and the power button at the same time until you go to the recovery mode interface. Find and reboot the System Now option in the recovery mode interface. Use the power button to confirm, wait for the phone to restart, and check again to see if the phone has exited safe mode. Method 7 is to restore factory settings. If the above methods did not help you get out of safe mode, you need to try to factory reset your Samsung Android phone. This is the last step you can take. Please back up any data you need before attempting this step. Please open the mobile phone settings, find and click General Management in the Settings menu, select Reset in the General Interface, and after entering the Reset interface, please select Factory Data Reset. This will erase everything on the phone and your Samsung phone will reboot to the home screen. After a successful reboot, please activate your phone to see if your phone has escaped from safe mode. Method 8 is to seek professional help. If you have tried all the above methods, but your phone is still stuck in safe mode, then please take your phone to a Samsung store to have your Samsung phone checked and repaired by a professional. That's all for today's video. If you think this video is helpful to you and think we did a good job, please like, share and tell us which method helped you solve the problem in the comment area. At the same time, if you think there is room for improvement, you can also express your views and suggestions in the message area. Thanks. Good luck.